There we go.
3, 2,
Big water.
1.
We're at T-minus 3 seconds.
Gyno, provide first motion time. First motion time, 11:25:01.
And New Glenn has cleared the tower. As you follow New Glenn's journey along, look to the bottom of your screen. You can see telemetry there, as well as our time clock.
Vehicle's now completing the pitch over maneuver. Strakes are now level. 45
Auto
seconds
sweeping complete.
flight. The 4 parameters.
GC OSM perform post liftoff fire inspection sweep using LC36 cameras.
Great shot looking back from New Glenn as it soars to the sky. We're about a minute into flight.
Soon the vehicle will reach maximum dynamic pressure, which is the point at which the pressure on the vehicle is at its highest.
1 minute, 6 seconds.
Beautiful shots from New Glenn.
Body rates continue to look nominal. Data quality is good.
We can hear Patrick a little bit now.
Yeah, starting to come in. It looks like it's right down the middle of the corridor.
1 minute, 20 seconds. Trajectory is nominal. T plus 1 minute, 20 seconds. Now passing Mach 1.
Oh, we can feel the rumble here in the studio.
1 minute, 30 seconds into flight.
Back to you.
Now passing max Q, maximum dynamic pressure.
We have passed max Q. That means the vehicle is supersonic.
Parameters look good at full thrust. 1 minute, 45 seconds in.
You can hear everything's looking good.
Now 11 kilometers downrange, traveling at 1 kilometer per second.
Traveling 1 kilometer a second. I apologize here. I'm repeating a bit of what Patrick's saying because it sounds a bit low to us. It might sound low to you.
Body rate's nominal. 2 minutes, 10 seconds in, less than 1 minute to MECO.
Less than 1 minute to MECO, which is main engine cutoff.
Acceleration profile continues to look good. Body
Wow.
rate's nominal.
Beautiful.
Seeing good activity on
About
the
to
fins.
pass 2 minutes and 30 seconds into flight.
Trajectory is good.
Trajectory is
2
good.
minutes, 30 seconds in.
LDO, so
30
count 1.
seconds to MECO.
Go.
About 30
No
seconds to
fires and
MECO.
secondaries observed.
Elder caps.
Body rates continue to look good throughout boost phase.
A lot of things are going to happen really
Trajectory's
quickly.
good.
We're going to have MECO, main engine cutoff, followed shortly by stage separation, and then payload
10
fairing
seconds to
jettison.
MECO.
Let's take a look.
2 minutes, 55 seconds into flight.
LDGC, no anomalies from the ground systems.
Elder caps.
Standing by for MECO.
Standing
And we
by.
have MECO.
MECO confirmed.
Sorry. Correction, now we have MECO. Body rates
We have
nominal.
MECO.
Engines look good.
Separation.
You're looking down at the 2 BE3Us.
We have ignition and full thrust on both BE3U engines.
You hear the cheers?
Ignition on both BE3Us.
That's Team Blue you hear, by the way.
And operating parameters look good on both BE3U engines. Body rates nominal, data quality looks good from both stages.
Everything's looking nominal. GS2 ignition in full thrust.
Good indication of tail frame jettison.
We have payload fairing separation.
Body rates continue to look nominal. Engine operating parameters continue to look good as well. Not passing 4 minutes in flight.
Just over 4 minutes into flight.
3
That
minutes
beautiful
until
blue marble.
US1 engine ignition. BE3 engines continue to look good. Seeing good TPC response. Body rates nominal.
We can hear that everything is nominal.
We continue to see good data coming down from US1.
We've got our long range cameras out on the booster.
Team Blue is hyped. You can hear it in the background.
We're hyped too.
Control on DS2.
While it is a little low to hear Patrick, Alice, you want to walk through what's about to happen now?
Yeah, so GS1 will hit apogee very shortly here, or might already have. Then once that is confirmed, the booster will begin its descent back to Earth for a beautiful landing on Jacklyn.
The fully reusable booster will start its descent back, as Alice just said, heading towards Jacklyn, which is our landing platform underway about 375 miles from here.
Then we'll have the atmospheric reentry and the landing burn. And in about 2 minutes, 3 of GS1's engines will relight.
And we see
There's a shot of
ignition
Jacklyn there,
on
past
all
7 minutes into
engines
flight.
for GS1. Chamber pressures look good. Body rate control looks
Ignition
good.
on all 3 engines on GS1, and pressures and temperatures look good.
Standing by for GS1
Again.
MECO shortly. GS2 engines continue to look good.
GS2 engines
7
continue
minutes,
to
30
look
seconds
good.
into
We have
flight.
our Patrick Moore inside mission control, and we are repeating a bit of what he's saying just because it's a little difficult to hear.
And GS1 MECO confirmed. Continue to see good data on GS1 and GS2. Body rates are
Awesome.
good.
We have the
Good
GS1
stages.
booster reentry burn complete. And next up, we will see the landing burn.
Now passing
Vehicle is
engines in flight.
reorienting itself.
Now passing through GS1 descent max Q.
Passing through GS1 descent max Q. Beautiful shot.
Oh my
of
gosh.
GS1 there.
GS1 seeing good activity on fins.
8.5 minutes into flight.
GS2 is now halfway through burn 1.
About 30 seconds away from that landing burn.
GS2 as expected. Both engines continue to look good.
Sounds like the engines look good.
Coming up on landing burn. And we see 3 good engines on landing burn. Engine ignition confirmed.
3 good engines on landing burn is what I'm hearing from Patrick.
Are they changing GS1?
They are.
Landing
Little
gear
low-level
forward.
clouds.
Switch to one engine. Seeing the chamber pressure.
Here we go.
Oh my God.
Stepping back for touchdown.
Some of the plumes.
I'm hearing cheers of a touchdown.
I think touchdown is.
We see a lot of clouds of smoke there, but I'm hearing good cheers. Great drone shots there. There we have it. Welcome back once again. Never tell me the odds. It's good to say that twice, Alice.
Oh my gosh, it sure is. Look at that shot of GS1 on the landing barge. Beautiful landing.
We love it when it hits right in the middle of that feather.
Look at that beautiful shot.
Jacklyn,
Love to see it. Never gets old.
it doesn't. Back home on Earth. Welcome back.
For a second time.
Yeah. Hey guys, looking good.